Hi guys, today I want to change my work handbag in Emirates crew uniform store. So let's follow me. And guys, this is my old handbag that I've used it for 4 years already. And here I am in Emirates crew uniform store. This is the packaging of the handbag itself. So cute and neat. So this is the handbag. It's so red. Red. This is how does it look from the back. There's a pouch with the Velcro. And let's have a look what's inside the bag. You can see the material. I don't know how does it call. And another material is silky one. A lot of pouches and with the Velcro. Also there's like a small pouch for a pen or for coins and for a pin, hairpin, and another pouch. Well, that's all the review for my new handbag for work. Hope you like it.